Welcome fans to another unboxing and review from the Spin Master Monster Jam series of the unedited version of Max D. And so we're gonna take a look at that real shortly. Let's go ahead and turn it around on the back of the box here. Race Them All, True Metal, Bounty Hunter, El Toro Loco, Wonder Woman. Then we have Grave Digger, Megalodon, Pirate's Curse, Monster Mutt Dalmatian. Max D is in the Legacy trucks. You get one 64th scale truck, one figure, and one poster. So let's go ahead and check out this version of Max D. Get the truck out. The minifigure. Let's take a look at Max D. It has the gray wheels. It also is missing spikes on the side panels. It has also a clearly visible Tom Mintz logo, which is supposed to be right there. Let's get a close shot, see if we can see it. I don't know why that would be a mistake. That's supposed to be like that. It's very hard. That sticker is so small. Also, what's going on is dark gray side panels, dark gray stripes on hood and back panel, prominent scratches on front and rear fenders, spikes. So some of the scratches they're saying that are right here, maybe. Back here, right there, you see some scratches right there. Also right there and there. On the front, kind of a little bit darker, and some scratches. You can see right there, hopefully. That's what the front looks like. And of course, if you got the other variation right here, you can also see that they have these black stripes from the front and back. There's a black stripe there, also a black stripe here, and on the back you can really see it with the flame rolling out from the back. Right there and right here. So yeah, that is different compared to this truck, which doesn't have that. So some of the spikes are a little bit darker right here. Probably where the scratch marks are is what they were talking about. So there we go. Even on the front side panel doesn't have any spikes. No spikes on there. So you can see on there, this one does have it. So that does it for the unedited variation of Max D. So thank you for tuning in.